Welcome to the Fusion Software Institute. This is Anupama Burman. I'm as a HR placement executive.
Hello, this is Gitanjali. I'm a full stack Java trainer in the Fusion Software Institute.
ये जो कैंडिडेट आप देख रहे हैं इनका नाम संकेत है. इनका कोर्स ज्वाइन किए हुए 1 मंथ हुआ ही है.
So in this mock interview, we are going to conduct some HR related questions as well as some technical questions.
इस वीडियो में बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. एंड तक बने रहना. What's your name?
My name is Sanket Darunkar.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
Okay, good morning, ma'am, and thank you for this opportunity. I am Sanket Darunkar, a recent electronics and communication engineer graduate from Priyadarshini College of Engineering, Nagpur. During my academics, I discovered strong passion in web development, which led me to work on several hands-on projects. I created a personal folio website, a weather application, and password generator tool. This project helped me to understand user experience and front-end problem solving in real-world context. I completed an internship at a Cluster Computing Private Limited, where I contribute to maintain and optimize the web applications. I optimize responsive websites, frameworks, and enhancing the overall user experience. Additionally, I upskill myself through the Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program, where I earn 50 plus cloud batches, which reflect my dedication to learn cloud technologies. I enjoying transforming idea into responsive and interactive website. I primarily use React.js or JavaScript library to build the user interface, and I work compatibly with the tools like Git, GitHub, VS Code, and Eclipse. I also have strong foundation in DSA using C++, which helped me to write a scalable and optimized code. Right now, I'm looking for the opportunity where I contribute my technical skills and creativity. Thank you, ma'am.
That's great. Okay, Sanket, what's your strength and weaknesses?
Okay, coming to my strength, I'm a fast learner and very consistent. I earn 50 plus Google Cloud badges through my self-discipline. Come to my weakness, sometimes I take too many tasks, but I am prioritized betterly. That's my weakness.
Okay, Sanket, where do you see yourself after 5 years?
I'm a student, ma'am. I'm a fresher. In next 5 years, I am holding a developer team or a web developer team, which I lead to and guide them, and also I grow with the company.
What's your biggest achievement in your life?
My biggest achievement recently, I complete a Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program, which I earn 50 plus Google Cloud batches. This is a learning initiative by Google, and my recognition, my efforts. Google send me Google goodies like Google backpack, Google T-shirt, Google pen, and a thank you note from Google. This is a very motivating and a proud moment for me.
What does success mean to you?
Success mean to me, in my point of view, ma'am, I am a fresher and I'm a student. I see myself in a get a job to reputed company and having a good package and a salary.
Okay.
This is mean to my success in my point of view.
That's all from my side. Then Gitanjali.
Okay, we'll start with your technical round now. So what are the pillars of OOPs?
There are 4 main pillars of the OOPS concept in Java. First is abstraction, second is encapsulation, third is inheritance, fourth is polymorphism.
Okay.
In shortly, ma'am, abstraction means showing important features and hiding complex detail. Just like a car, we drive the car without knowing how the engine works.
Okay.
Second is encapsulation. Encapsulation means wrapping a data in a single unit, wrapping a data methods and in a single unit. We hide the internal data and showing what is necessary using getter and setters. Third is the inheritance. Inheritance means one class is inherited to the another classes. Example, a manager can inherit the property to the employees. And the last one is a polymorphism. Polymorphism means one function behave differently basis on a different context. Just like a remote button, one remote button can perform a different action for TV and AC.
Okay, what is the difference between compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism?
First of all, there are two types of the polymorphism. First is a compile time polymorphism, and this is also called the method overloading.
Okay.
Second is a runtime polymorphism. This is also called a method overriding. In method overloading, the same method name and say and different signature are there.
Okay.
In signature, we can say that number of parameter will be different, sequence of parameter will be different, and we should change the parameter also.
Okay.
In overriding, this is runtime polymorphism. We can say that this inheritance is required. Same method name is same and return type is also same. This is the difference method overloading and method overriding.
Okay. Okay. Can we overload the constructor?
Yes, we can overload the constructor.
Okay. And can we overload the main method?
We can overload the main method, but we cannot override the method.
Why?
Because they are static and static methods are overloaded, not overridden.
Correct. What is the difference between interface and abstract class?
The biggest difference between is abstract class and interface is we can achieve the multiple inheritance using interface, and first difference and second difference is we can use in abstract class a constructor. We do not use the constructor in the interface. Abstract class we define the abstract class using the abstract keyword, and interface class define the interface keyword. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So whenever we write any class, we write the properties as a private. What is the reason?
Sorry, ma'am.
For example, student class is there, and I'm writing the properties or variables like private int id. What is the reason that we are defining it as a private?
In case of the encapsulation, ma'am, we can set the variables at the private because we're hiding the details and showing using a getter and setter.
What is the access of private?
Within a class only.
Okay, good. Next is how many types of inheritance are there?
There are 5 types of the inheritance. First is a single inheritance. Second is a multi-level inheritance. Third is a hierarchical inheritance. Third is a hybrid inheritance, and last is a multiple inheritance.
Okay.
In single level inheritance, we can inherit the property from one class to another class. In multi-level inheritance, we can say, for example, a grandparent inherit the property to the parent class, and parent class inherit the property from the class. This is the example of the multi-level inheritance. Third is a hierarchical inheritance. One superclass can inherit the multiple subclasses. For example, a parent having two childs, daughter and son. The daughter and son inherit a property to the parent class. This is a real life example.
Okay. What is the reason that Java classes doesn't support multiple inheritance?
Because of the ambiguity issue.
What is the ambiguity issue?
Suppose, for example, two parent classes, same property are there. For example, a void show is a same property in two super classes, and we can inherit to the one child classes. That's why there is a ambiguity issue.
Your interview was completed. Thank you, Sanket. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.